This is Kerry here for Loughborough College, and this is the second instalment video for Mahara portfolio. This is looking at some of the advanced features of Mahara. So what we're first going to do is click on the My Portfolio at the top of the screen. Again, this screen might be slightly different to the screen that you've got if there's a later version or model of Mahara, but you should be able to find the My Portfolio tab. Within that tab you will find the My View section, My Collections, My Files, My Blogs, Export and My Plans. Again, just to remind you that My Views are very similar to web pages or the web pages that you've created. So here you can see that I've got a list of views that I've already created, such as the dashboard view, profile view, ES1, ES2, ES3, going right the way through to 6 pages. In this particular case we're going to assume that you understand and know how to create a view, and what we're going to focus on is the My Collections. So My Collections, in this particular case, you're going to click on New Collection to the right hand side, the tab just there, and first of all name your collection. Now a collection is bringing together one or more of the views to create kind of a tab system where you can tab through each of the web pages very easily. So here we're going to focus on the Advanced Apprenticeship, and the collection description is here is an overview of ACE, which is an abbreviated term for the Advanced Apprenticeship in Sport and Excellence. So then you move on to the next page, which is Edit Collection Views. So you have to select which views you would like in your collection. In this case I actually would like all of those, so I'm going to select them, and then what I'm going to do is click on Add Views. Don't need to change anything at the bottom of the screen in terms of navigation bar. It's now brought this page up of editing the collection. I can either remove any of those ones that I don't feel are particularly relevant, and I can also move the position which they will be shown within the collection. So one of the first things is I want this Welcome to ACE page towards the top there. I'm just going to start moving that up. So as you can see, I'm just doing this bit by bit, and now everything will be in that order, or the order that I would like it. So it's Welcome to ACE, ES1 to 8 in the correct number and order, and the student's voice. What I would say is, if you are doing this, because sometimes they can get a little bit muddled up in terms of the ordering, it might be a good idea for you to actually use a numbering system in your views, so it makes it very quick for you to ensure that you've got everything in the correct order that you would like. Next I'm going to go to Edit Collection Access, and here I'm going to give access to some people within the team. So just searching as you normally would any search engine, but here I'm searching for a particular person. I'm allowing comments to these people. I can moderate the comments, and I can also allow people to copy it. So basically what that's saying is that my collection can be copied. It's allowing these people here, Renata and Lindsay, that have been added, to add comments to the collection, and Dave, who I'm about to add, can also do that. Each of these also have dates and formats, so from and to dates, in which they can access that particular collection. For me, I don't have any start and end dates, so I'm just going to leave that blank, and the same thing here. Don't have any overriding start and end dates, but if this was an assignment submission, then you might want to add in a start and end date for when people can actually access the information and also submit their assignments. So that is now done. So here you can see the description. These are all the views that have been included in it, and also I can edit the collection access. So Dave, Lindsay and Renata obviously have been given access, but I can edit it at any point, add in people, delete people, and also edit the title and description as I want. So quickly to go into the Advanced Apprenticeship, here you will see, so this is basically all of those views that I added to the collection. So this is one view, and then using the tabs at the top I can go through each of the views as I see fit, right the way through to the very end, which is here.